Okay, part 4 video because my parents don't know crap. Here's some Roman candles. 10-ball Roman candle. Oops, I'll just go through. Whoa, they got 3 new? I never knew they got 3 new of those. Barrage fire candle. Just a regular barrage fire candle, except the barrage fire candle with report. And a gold comet barrage with silver glitter. Here's the assortments. Jumbo rocket assortment, blah blah blah. It's like really nothing. Rolling Thunder assortment. I got this 2 years ago. It was okay. It didn't suck. It was pretty good. Roman candle assortment, $100. I mean, if you like Roman candles, buy it. Battle of Yorktown assortment, pretty cool. Mystical Night Fountain assortment. I don't like fountains at all, but if you do, buy it. The Aerial Barrage assortment. This is like, these aren't really that good of cakes, but there's something. New Yorker assortment. They have Vapor Trails, Festival Mortar Kit. I don't really have that of good stuff. Phantom Classic 6 assortment. Is that no one new? Oh no, Molotov Cocktail. That one's really good. Machine Gun Shell is good. Solar Explosion is good. The only one I've never seen is that, and that. Well, I did see Midnight Monsoon in the video, but that wasn't really that good. Tube Finale assortment. Pretty cool. They give you enough, I think. Silver Crackle Palm, those festival balls, some 500-gram tubes, Magical Barrage 10 shot. Oh, I think no, it's a 100 shot. Another one, Wolfpack, High Performance shells, some Thunderstorm shells. These are like 200-gram tubes. Pretty sure, yeah. Rain of Fire. Wait, no, this is a different assortment. There's some more. Okay, here is the Grand Finale assortment. They have Emerald City. What's that back there? Oh, Kaleidoscope. Those are really small. Chinese New Year, Garden of Spring, Walloping Warheads, Vapor Shells, Arctic Blast, Rain of Fire, Defcon Alert, Fiery Cloud, 96 Shot Pearl, Electric Eels, Saturn Battery, 100 Shot, and yeah, that's it. Uncle Sam assortment. It is what it is. Phantom Nation assortment. Got Emerald City, Red, White, and Boom, Barbarian Blast, Phantasm 2. What was that? Oh, the Copperhead, Chill, Silver Salute, Ron Redalia, Silver Salute, another strip of Silver Salutes, and a strip of Wolfpacks, and some Roman candles, and blue rocket shells. Blue Streak rockets. Painted Galaxy. Supreme Finale assortment. I'm not going to name them because I'm tired of naming stuff, so let's go through it. Thunderfest Finale assortment. Phantom Mania assortment. Ooh. What's this? Jumbo Phantom assortment. Holy crap. There's a lot of stuff in this one. And here's just the here's where the are. Wait, what? Oh, here's just the places where they're located and stuff. And here's what you get for Premiere members. Well, that's pretty much it. So don't dislike this because it's not a fireworks stash video. I mean, I'm just putting it up as a just a catalog video. Don't just dislike it because it's not a stash video. You're like a dick if you do that. I mean, it's ridiculous. Because you didn't see what you want. Well, you will see what you want probably in mid-June, because that's when we're going to be leaving. And I want to try and get as good stuff as I can. And plus, if you get this catalog, the only way you can get this is if you sign up for their like thing and for their newsletter. Pretty sure. And I think that makes you a Premiere member. I'm not sure, but it might. But if it does, then that'll be awesome. I'm pretty sure it does because it came with a buy one get two free on $100 repeater, which is amazing. But if that would suck so bad if we're not a Premiere member and we just got this with just a lame coupon in it, I'd be so ticked. Because I wanted to get New Yorker Sleuth finale with Critical Blast and Rain of Fire premiere, the big one. So, but we'll see. Thanks for watching, and soon there'll be Stash vid later on, mid-June. See you later.